Today let's draw a cute monkey eating a banana. Start by drawing a big circle. This will form the monkey's head. Enclose a U-shaped line beneath the body, forming the monkey's body. Draw the monkey's large ears. Enclose a rounded shape by drawing a C-shaped line on each side of the head. Enclose another circular shape around the first. Extend two curved, parallel lines from the hip to form the tail. Draw a large circle across the face, and use a curved line to sketch a V-shaped line beneath the top of the circle. Draw two small circles and shade them, leaving a tiny speck uncolored to indicate the shine of the eyes. Draw a peeled banana, and the hand holding the banana. Sketch the body line, forming the belly and leg. Erase the guide lines as necessary. Draw a small circle and shade it as the monkey's nose. Extend a short upside-down, U-shaped line to form the upper part of the mouth. Color this little adorable monkey.